My name is Enrica Monzani. I was born and bred in Genova, where I live here in the Italian Riviera. I'm a food blogger, a food photographer, a food writer, everything about food, and I'm also a home cook and a cook instructor. I used to give cooking classes to foreigners since 4 years in my house in Genova. But unfortunately, due to the COVID pandemic, I was not able to do it anymore. So I decided to record the best of my recipes and my tips and suggestions for preparing the Italian Riviera cuisine. So this class is conceived for sharing my knowledge, and it is also done as if you were in person in front of me. So this is nothing fancy, but it is a very homemade cooking class, as the one I used to give to my clients when they come to Genova. I hope you will enjoy it. We have the essentials for preparing an Italian Riviera menu. If you want more information about me, you can follow my blog, A Small Kitchen in Genoa, and also you can find me on the other social accounts, on Facebook, on Instagram, always as A Small Kitchen in Genoa. Hope you will enjoy it, and if you have any questions, please ask and write. Bye!